Medical College. I request Umesh Hiramat sir to welcome sir by giving flower as token of love. I would like to welcome the secretary Shri Vasantram Devemaran sir to this colorful program. We are feeling his absence. In his absence, I welcome him on behalf of everyone. Further, I extend my warm welcome to the Joint Secretary, Shri Anantraj Munajli sir, to this auspicious program. On behalf of everyone, I extend my hearty welcome to our beloved Principal Ma'am, Pragati K. Kaveri Ma'am, to this program. I request Nanda Ma'am to welcome Ma'am by giving flower as token of love and affection. Welcome teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my fellow mates. I welcome one and all to this colorful program. I thank for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Now, I request our esteemed guest, Shri Somashekar Perimani sir, to kindly inaugurate the ceremony by watering the plants and mark the beginning of this special occasion. And also, I request all the dignitaries on the stage, on the dais, to join in for the inauguration of prefectorial body of 2025 and 2026.
Celebrating this special occasion and making it memorable.
Respected dignitaries of the dais, Shri M.I. Devemaran sir, President of Vidyapita Pathshala, Shri Somashekar Perimani sir, today's chief guest, NSS officer, professor at Agri College, respected teachers, and my dear lovely students. Vidya Bharati Vinayam Vinaya Darati Patratam Patratam Danatam Apnoti Dhanatu Dharma Takasukham. The meaning of this shloka is: learning gives humility, humility brings worthiness, from worthiness comes wealth, from wealth comes righteousness and happiness. Not just the event in the calendar of our school, it is a celebration of ownership which you are going to take up on your shoulder from today onwards. When water falls on the rock, even rock melts. What is the reason? Rock is so hard, and water, if it is pouring continuously, even the rock also melts. What is the reason? The reason is the consistency of pouring of water on the rock. The consistency of the water which is pouring on the rock. So here you have to listen the word properly. Consistency. Consistency is very important. Today you did the work, 1 week you did the work, and then you take the rest. It is not like that. Throughout the who is he? Chess player. He is a chess player, Mukesh. He became very famous. One is for his as he won the chess competition. For another, because he showed the simplicity. He was very determined. He was very honest, sincere, and for his discipline. Because once he won the competition, he set all the chessboard properly. He set the chessboard, kept the chairs in the proper manner, and then he came out of the corridor. Have you witnessed it? He was famous for being simple, because being simple is very important. He was very disciplined. He was very committed. Then I was seeing in the video, a lady was asking, nowadays in this generation, students, they copy for 10 to 20 marks and they take good marks. They are trying to take good marks by copying. And what can you expect from such children? We have to build ethics in the children. For 10 to important students. You know, sometimes because you have to uphold the ethics of the school, because ethics of the school is very important. Once you bounce back, no, that is called as resilience. This quality also you should possess. Be passionate towards your work. You should love your work, what you are doing. You should come with the confidence. Make a positive contribution to the schools. We have given, I told in the beginning only, you are the owner of the school. Along with management, teachers, other students, you are owner of the school. The whole year we are expecting more from you. I hope that this institution will grow very higher and higher by your positive work. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity.